Okay, so to follow up on what we talked about before, we went through displacement, then we went through instantaneous velocity, we went through speed, we went through velocity. Now we're going to talk about acceleration. Okay, acceleration is how quickly velocity is increasing or decreasing. So if we're thinking about the rate of change of velocity, then that's just the derivative of velocity. So acceleration is simply the derivative of velocity, and velocity is the derivative of position. So that's our acceleration. Okay. So what I'm going to do right now is just kind of give you a cheat sheet where you can keep track of all the different how position and velocity and speed and acceleration are all connected. All right, so let's refer to position as s of t. And I'm going to go down in purple for position. Okay, so if I do position is s of t, then velocity is the derivative of s of t. Okay, we could also say that that's the same as, we could use the notation of ds dt. Those all mean the same, both mean the same thing. Okay, speed is the absolute value of velocity. So speed is the absolute value of position, the first derivative of position. Okay, and then acceleration then is the second derivative of the position graph. Okay, so now let's go down for velocity. So we know velocity is simply v of t, so speed is going to be the absolute value of velocity, and acceleration is going to be the first derivative. Okay, and the only other notation that I might want to put in here is, that was supposed to be a v right there, not s. That's a v of t. And this other notation, I might want to just say that this is the second derivative of the position graph, and so that's how the notation works, is you put little 2's as exponents, and that's just saying it's second derivative. Okay, so this should be helpful to you. If it says find the velocity, you're going to take the derivative of position. If you're going to find speed, you take the absolute value of position, or you take the absolute value of velocity. And if you want to find acceleration, you take the second derivative of the position graph or the first derivative of velocity. Okay, we'll do some examples in the next video.